The X-Series bracket system has revolutionized the organization of rollout shelving systems by providing greater ease of use for homeowners. Besides its ease of use, it also provides a quick and easy installation process for cabinet makers in the production process or during cabinet installation. Our standardized approach to pilaster and bracket installation works for over 90% of cabinet depth and door hinge combinations. If you are one of the 10% that the standardized installation process does not work for, don't worry. A few simple tweaks to the installation process can make it work for you every time. Step 1. Installing the pilasters. Begin by positioning the front pilaster by using the X-Series simple installation jig. Then fasten the pilaster to the cabinet side using the pre-drilled screw holes. Next, rotate the jig 90 degrees to position the rear pilaster and attach it to the cabinet wall. Repeat this process to install the pilasters on the other side of the cabinet. Step 2. Fastening the brackets to the slides. Begin by identifying right and left brackets. This is indicated by R for right and L for left, imprinted directly on the brackets. Note, front brackets feature a shorter pin, as well as a 90-degree retention tab. The rear brackets feature a longer pin and do not feature the retention tab. Once you've identified the brackets, mount them to the slides with the pins facing the rear. We recommend using the center vertical holes on the bracket and using the last set of vertical holes on the undermount slides, front, and rear screw patterns. Step 3. Installing rollout shelves. Begin by placing the slides at the desired height and inserting the bracket pins into the pre-drilled holes. Release the slide, allowing it to rotate and lock into position. Next, place the rollout shelves on the slides, allowing them to lock onto the slides. That's it. It's as easy as that. Average installation times are: based cabinet under 5 minutes, pantry cabinet under 10 minutes,